Welcome back to the Sprinter van conversion. This is part 2 about building the kitchen cabinets in the Mercedes Sprinter van. So stay tuned to follow up. And as you see, the summer has disappeared. We have now the 25th of September. It's wet, it's cold, it's ugly outside. But we have to push on. Okay, let's get this puzzle together for the cupboard here behind the driver's seat. As you see, I have now only 2 seats here. I finally managed to get this done, and now we just need to put all the parts here together. As you know, for a gas bottle I have a small one. You need a closed cabinet. As you know, I film everything with my GoPro, and it's really bad at low light and close distance. Yeah, that's why I couldn't film the whole process here. But it was really easy. You see the sheets here. So I have some additional if I need it. Here's the box for the gas. So just made a basic and simple system. Oh, this is a bit stuck here, and then you can take the bottle in and out. I will seat it a little bit more later on to make it more airtight. The both seats, the middle is removed. I also did some adjustment here, so before it was somewhere here, and I cut it few centimeters to gain more space. So this I have to repaint later on. I don't have time for this today, but I'm really satisfied with the result here. And here the kitchen cabinet. The only thing which remains now is the other latches, which I have to do now. But I'm not quite sure if I will manage, because it's so difficult to put the latches on. I just saved the time lapse, so I just took the measurement. If you have this latch here, so I took it from top to the center, and then I determined into the cabinet where the center will be compared to the angle here, the clip, to lock the drawer into place. So basically you see here, up here is the wood, so I measured the distance to this edge, and then I measured to the latch. So it's pretty simple. I hope I am not mistaken, otherwise everything will be not good. But I just have to give it a shot. I have to be defeated. I'm defeated. Here you see the other side of the kitchen cabinet with the stove, the fridge. It's a 65 liters. And here we have a cabinet I showed earlier in this video with a gas bottle. I have tried so hard to make this cabinet nice, but I did not manage with the latches, so I tried with some magnets and it's not working either. That's still annoying, and the drawers are opening, so I need to find a solution. Don't know what or when. That's not easy. I hope you enjoyed this episode, and see you in the next one.